And when me I do it with a man like this in a family house, look here, one fish head, the man just bite it up so like a dog. Look here. And what kind of smaddy this? No, sir. Suppose this a bone you're talking in throat. And what kind of smaddy this, yeah, man? Look at his face. No, sir. Papa Jesus. If me fi have one man like this here in a female house, me I tell you, say me have to run away. Cause this a man here would have name all human being. Look how a man tan. The man terrible is a shame. Watch ya. And he come like a bear bone, this a man and I'm twin a man. Come like a dog. Lord have mercy. And what kind of smaddy this ya? This is serious. This need crowd to rotted. This a man ya coming like say a bone man. Watch ya. Chips and bone. Merciful Father. Run people run.